They say that laughter is the best medicine, and so is Flonase. Good stuff, man. A restaurant manager in Northern Virginia was so desperate for staff, she said she hired people with bad attitudes who scared off customers. There are so many jokes here, but this is a family channel, so let's move on. GM asks Chevy Bolt owners to park 50 feet away from other cars. Apparently, all of the electric vehicles that GM has built, these Bolts, apparently, I guess the batteries are catching fire in homes while charging. Needless to say, it's been a problem. So GM is telling Chevy Bolt, people to park at least 50 feet away from other cars. This is in response to the CDC social distancing guidelines. Now here's something that I have never seen, and I'm a big baseball fan. The Baltimore Orioles baseball team, the entire grounds crew gets ejected during the ninth inning versus the Yankees. Now I don't know the whole story here, but apparently I think it was the third base. The third base umpire, Tim Timmons, had heard enough from the stadium's field maintenance crew when he sent the entire group off the field in the top of the ninth inning. Now, the funny part is it started raining, so he had to call him back. But how do you eject the entire grounds crew? You're gone! You're gone! You're gone! You're gone! You're gone! Men fart more when eating a plant-based diet due to good gut bacteria. So the next time a guy says, hey, I got a gut feeling about this, I bet he does. A fight breaks out between a Waffle House employee and a customer in Atlanta. Isn't this like the second time in a year that a fight has broken out in a waffle in a pancake house? I don't know about you guys, but I like to start my morning with 2 eggs, sunny side up, some wheat toast, and a sidekick to the waiter's gonads. And finally, I like to end this on a high note. An airline passenger goes viral in bikini. The footage posted online by an account called Humans of Spirit Airlines. Cool. The footage entitled When You Have a Pool Party at Noon and a Spirit Airlines Flight to Catch at 4 p.m. has been viewed thousands of times. The account owner writes, at least she's wearing a mask. Well, luckily that's all she was wearing. Anyway, just a few laughs there. I feel better. I was sick for 2 weeks. Stuffy nose, congestion. It wasn't COVID, just one of those flu-like symptoms. I'm feeling much better now. So thank you for all of your thoughts. Just a few laughs for this short video. And I hope to catch you on the next one. We are closing in on 3,000 videos for total OS today. So the question is, am I sane?